good morning, guys. So, got a lot of catching up. So we did some video yesterday at Capitol Reef. I did a sunset. I'm sorry, not a sun. Yeah, it was a sunset near our Capitol Reef spot. Hope you enjoyed that. That worked pretty well. But all of yesterday's video recorded without any without any audio. And that is now the second time that has happened to us with our GoPro 10. I don't know what's going on with it. The whole day it didn't record. So I don't know if I need to do a reset. I'm gonna start doing a test daily just so I can prevent any issues with that, because probably about 3 or 4 weeks ago, Chris did an entire cooking video using the Instant Pot on a really new dish that we loved, and every bit of the audio was missing. Just not there. Don't know why. We're using the GoPro mod, so I don't know if that's got something to do with it, but if you've got maybe some comments about that, put that down below. I'm kind of curious. I'll search the forums once we get some coverage. But today and yesterday, so we drove in yesterday from Capitol Reef. We did Hickman Bridge hike. It was awesome. It started getting windy, started getting cold, so we decided to head west, and we're at what's called, and I'm going to probably botch the pronunciation, it's either Koosharem, I don't know, maybe that's the only pronunciations I can come up with, but it's a reservoir. Probably about 40 to 45 minutes, I think, from Capitol Reef National Park. And when we got here yesterday, it continued to get windier and colder as we're driving in from that direction. The temp kept getting lower and lower, and then finally it was about 34 degrees at about, I think it was about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We landed here, and within probably 20 minutes I came out to do a video, which of course has video but no audio, and it started snowing, and it started snowing and snowing and snowing. Not a heavy, not big flakes or anything, no hamster flakes here. And it got the ground wet. We thought it was might gonna stick because the ground temp's still pretty cold here, and the temp dropped to 27. But yeah, it didn't stick, at least around here. But as you can see, now these mountains already had snow on them before, but I think they've got more now, probably a couple inches maybe. So we love this spot. Super quiet. We didn't have anybody here last night. There are fire rings all along the reservoir. Big rig friendly, definitely. Gravel, pretty level. We didn't even use leveling blocks. Up at the front, well, there's 2 entries to the spot. Up at the front there were pit toilets, nice ones. They probably have some trash cans. We didn't stop and look, so we'll probably take a look at that and make notes. Also, I don't know about how many days maximum. My guess is probably 14. This is a recreation area, but I'll put in the description below or in the video right here what the day limit is if it's posted. So we are heading now a little bit further west. We're going to head to the Great Basin National Park, and I guess that's technically in Nevada. So yeah, we're excited about that. We've never been. Cross that off our bucket list. Hope to spend a couple more days there, do a lot of hikes. I'm sure the temperatures are probably going to be decent, maybe warming up though, because yeah, weather's changing, but it's sure chilly here. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll catch up on the next video. Thanks, guys.
So we decided to stop in Capitol Reef and do a hike today. One we didn't do the last time we were the Hickman Bridge trail. So I think it's just a mile to the bridge and 2.5 miles to the overlook. So, all right, here we go. Here we go. Today is a beautiful day. It's chilly. I think it's about 48 degrees and a little windy, so I put my little sock hat on. I'm sure it'll be coming off soon. But now we climb. The other day we went hiking and I had my tennis shoes on, which is a no-no in Utah. So I busted out my oboes again. They've need to be replaced, but they have better traction and better grip on rocks. I'm still probably not wearing the right stuff, but that's all right. We'll have fun anyway. We are at the bridge, but we're going to take this trail. We're going to go under the bridge and around the bridge. Right behind there is the bridge. Off we go. It, and the wind just massively kicked up and the clouds are looking a little nasty. We probably need to head back.